Hey guys, this is the second video in this series of 2. So in the last video I showed you how to flash this and once that is done you can start the show. I've connected the power to this Kamikaze Mini, which is a 3D printer that has the same Kamikaze image. So I'm just going to show you how to locate the instance on a Windows computer. So if you have a Windows computer, you go into Networks and the Octoprint instance should show up immediately. And so this is called Octoprint instance on Kamikaze. I'm not sure if you can see that. Let me just bring you in close there. So it's called Octoprint instance on Kamikaze, and if you double click that, it should open the web page. It does. It has the IP address and then the port as well. So the first time you see this, there's going to be a pop-up with some login settings, etc. You need to you can disable that. And after you've done that, you actually need to restart Octoprint. So you can just disable it and then unplug the power and then reapply the power. And so once you're up and running again, you'll see something like this. And you can connect like that. It should be dev/octoprint_1. So once that is done, you can go into settings, and what you have now is the redeem plugin. So this is cool. Here you have all the different printer configurations, so I can choose whichever printer I have. I've already chosen Kamikaze Mini. Some of these are not updated right now, but you know, anyways. Or you can import your own profile if you want. Once you choose a different profile, you need to restart redeem. You can do that right here in the console, which is pretty cool. You should also probably edit the printer profile so that for this particular printer, it has a circular bed, it has the origin in the center, and I want the set axis to go fast as well. Good. So now I save. Every time you restart redeem, you need to connect again, but that's a minor issue, I would say. Once that is done, you can actually control your printer, which is cool. So that's what I'm doing. So you can control your printer, or you know, restart it or whatever. I mean, do a homing routine. Now with this image, there is a small bug which is explained on the Kamikaze web page, where you download the image that was shown in the previous video. So what you can do is you go into settings, and then you from the redeem plugin you import a file, and then you can just use a blank file, but it needs to be called local.cfg, okay, which is a file which overrides your printer settings. You can actually put things in there, for instance, controlling the maximum speed or several other factors, and that becomes your local override configuration file. So you need to have that in order to compile the firmware. But that's explained on the page. So yeah. Anyways, that's a little bit about how to get started with the Kamikaze CNC image. Hope you've enjoyed these 2 videos, and if you do have a Replicate, I really recommend trying this new Debian-based distribution. So have fun with that.